Nairobi Governor Mbuvi Sonko is headed to the East African Court to save his political career. Sonko's appeal in an impeachment case over graft charges while he served as Nairobi Governor has been thrown out by the Supreme Court, and the decision having a damaging ramification on his career, as it means he is barred for any political seat now or in future. And as our reporter Henry Tende now files, Sonko's name will also be struck out of Mombasa gubernatorial race. Take a look.
In a turn of events involving former Nairobi Governor Mbuvi Sonko and his battle in the corridors of justice, the Supreme Court has today thrown out his appeal of the impeachment case against him. In a verdict delivered today, the Supreme Court determined that the lower courts did not violate any law in finding Sonko unfit to hold office due to graft and misuse of his powers. The court also established the county government parliament followed required procedures in impeaching Sonko, consequently upholding the ruling that Sonko is impeached for failing to uphold integrity requirements in Chapter 6 of the Constitution. According to lawyer Dansan Omari, today's ruling, if not challenged, has dealt a final nail in Sonko's political career, since he will not be allowed to seek any public office.
So Sonko's last nail on the coffin has been put there, and that revives the purity of integrity as a question in leadership in this country.
However, lawyer Dansan Omari says Sonko still has an avenue to save his political career through a review of the Supreme Court ruling and through an appeal of the East African jurisdiction.
But is this the end of Sonko? Sonko still has a legal way and a constitutional way to maneuver out of it. One, he can file a review within the same court. If that review is filed, then Sonko's appeal mechanisms or review mechanism are still in place. Two, he can go to the East African Court in Arusha and make an appeal there. Has this ever happened? Yes. The Supreme Court of Kenya talked in Mother Karua versus Anne Waiguru, gubernatorial seat of Kirinyaga, and Mother Karua went and got a favorable judgment from the East African Court of Justice.
According to reliable sources, Sonko has made up his mind to pursue redress through the East African Jurisdiction Court. This with the hope that the court will give him a lifeline and save him from political oblivion. Henry Tende, Look Up TV.